Hi everybody. It is very important for us to be convincing and to have good proof for what we are trying to do. So today we are going to discuss or argue about the main thing that needs conviction, which is how to write a proposal. So as a beginning, what is a proposal anyway? Join us. This is about PETA, our center. I wrote this proposal, so this is my writing. I wrote this proposal. What is the meaning of proposal? Okay. Have you ever seen it in a film?
Proposal? Rapunzel.
No. A proposal. Exactly. Yes.
proposal صحيح.
Marry me.
صحيح.
What a nice proposal. Anyway, there is another kind of proposal which is working proposal. Each one of those paragraphs is a project. But what do you see in a proposal that is different, like from an article, Ala? Like here in a proposal, how does the thing look? The paragraph, the subject. Like you have a whole project. Do you see it different from an article or a story or another kind of writing?
I don't understand you.
Okay, if you see just the first page, we are giving this paper to somebody to help us. So it is a proposal. I need something from a higher side. So I am proposing something. Okay, I submit it, I propose it. All right, this someone is going to read. Maybe they are not interested. Okay, so should I keep talking and talking and talking and talking and talking?
No.
Okay, so what should I give them?
Summary.
Ala? Yes, like
Summary.
she's answering. Give her a chance, Amr. I know you know. What do you think? Describe. إذا ما تيجي الكلمة أوصفي تقولي. Never stop talking. Okay. How should I put?
We should help him, or we should شلون نجذب انتباهه. Attract him to our project. Exactly. So we can use a pictures.
Use a
pictures.
YS and either a picture or pictures.
Pictures.
Good. Okay.
Pictures.
All right. So we are using pictures. Good.
Pictures are something he may be interesting to him. So I give him in the beginning.
So maybe I can guess. I have to guess what is interesting to this side. How do I know what they are interested in? What should I do?
I must know what his aim.
How do I know? I know his goals.
You tell us.
No, you tell me. You tell me. No, it's not language. Now we're not talking language. We are using language.
Yeah.
We are talking a more useful subject. How do I know what they are thinking? Like a hint. What is a hint?
لمحة أو
إشارة, sign. Okay.
تلويح.
Okay. I go to their website. I see their programs in Iraq. Maybe they have a plan. Maybe they have a call. What is a call? Tell me. Call. They say call. Call for proposals. يعني نداء أو دعوة. Call. Is it clear for you, the pink one?
It's not here for the camera.
Okay. Oh my. Okay. Aha. Gotcha. Call for proposals. So I have the net. I go to the network. Okay. I go to the website, and there I understand where I'm going to. Because maybe if they have a call for proposals, this is going to give me exactly what they want. Like they say, call for proposals. All the NGOs are invited to participate in like an educational program.
Participate.
يشارك. Okay. Participate. We are participating in a conversation. we are participating in a talk. So it's short, it has to be attractive. Okay, now what we are going to do, if you like, of course, but I'm saying this because I need you to talk more about subjects. Each one of you can choose a subject, a paragraph. Can you please just have a look at it?
Okay.
Do you have, sorry, Summer, I took yours. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Just take a look at it and tell me which part, like, we start from number 1, Young Mutanabbi magazine. Number 2, audio library for the blind.
Great.
These are our projects, of course. Don't take them. 3, Iraq's cultural diversity, a documentary about Iraqi music.
What's that?
Okay.
A documentary يعني فيلم وثائقي حول التنوع الثقافي العراقي. Diversity, التنوع الثقافي. Cultural diversity, التنوع الثقافي. Okay? هو عبارة عن documentary اللي هو فيلم وثائقي on Iraqi music. Okay, and you have Australia-Iraq window. Each one of you can choose one part and you start defending it. You start convincing the others that this is the best part in the proposal. Okay? I want this conversation, or we call it a debate. Debate. نقاش من أجل الوصول إلى قرار يسموه debate. When you discuss not for information, but you discuss to reach a decision. It is a debate.
يعني debate نفسها
يسموه سجال. You need to get a decision. You need to decide. So I have a debate. I don't have a discussion. When I have a discussion, I listen to Ala, listen to Amr, to Samar, to see which opinion, رأي, is better. Okay? Or maybe I get information from you. I don't have enough information. This is a discussion. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay? You have a comment.
Exchange information.
Exchanging information. Very good. But a debate is when we defend something. So you defend دافعين on your paragraph. You defend your paragraph. Ala defends her paragraph. And I listen. Okay? I help you how to put the words. And maybe on the other thought, on another thought, maybe I'll get benefit from you.
Each one of us have to choose.
So if you can only choose, yes.
I will choose the music.
You will choose the music. Okay. Who would like to choose? Who thinks that the Young Mutanabbi magazine is important? Okay, very good. What about the audio library for the blind, or maybe the Australia-Iraqi window? Samar, you have those two left.
audio library.
Audio library for the blind, للمكفوفين.
Yes.
An audio library.
Do you want me to write an article about
No,
this subject?
no. I want you to talk. You are having a debate. Maybe you can do something. You can go back to the internet and see how other countries or people defended your idea. شلون بلدان أخرى تبنت هاي الفكرة ودافعت عنها. Maybe you can make use out of their ideas. It's okay. You can write like highlights. رؤوس أقلام. Highlights. Okay? Or anything just to remind you what you want to say in your debate. Okay? So the next lesson is going to be more talkative. Okay? All of us. To reach a certain decision. Which one of those you think from your point of view is more useful and better for the kids, or better for your PETA is your organization now. Which is better for your organization? All right? Okay? So this is our next lesson. All right? On Saturday. Thank you for joining us today about proposal, what it means, and why we need to be very convincing when we write it. See you again.